Have you created a family history project that you'd like to share? Once you have ordered your custom project, it's easy to share a digital preview with family and friends to view it and order a copy of their own. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a shareable link to your ordered project. Begin by selecting My Account in the upper right-hand corner, and then select Orders in the left-hand toolbar. Find the order you'd like to share and select the Show Detail button. Locate the specific project under the Ordered Products section and choose the Share Creation button. A box will appear where you can enter your creation's title, the author's name, and a description of the order. Then select the blue Update Details button. To share, click the green Copy Link button to copy your shareable link and send it to your friends and family via email or text. Your digital preview will be available to anyone with the link. They will be able to view and purchase a copy of your project, but please note they cannot edit your shared project. Go ahead and click the Preview button to review the digital preview of your creation and see how your family and friends will enjoy previewing what you've created. They can also select Add to Cart to order a copy and purchase their very own. If at any time you'd like to end sharing with others, simply select the Stop Sharing button. Please note, if your order says Reorder nor Share Not Available, unfortunately, it is too old of an order to be reprinted or shared.